40 laps to go, and race leader Lightning McQueen is making his way on the pit road with Chick Hicks on his tail. A good stop here could make the difference between victory and defeat.
Come on, you all! Faster! Come on, I've got to get out there before McQueen doses.
What a pit stop on Chick. Man, he just got the lead, but Daryl, can he hold on to it? Hey Chick, you alright? Listen, your Dino Cup plans are over for you, buddy. You had a great one. See you, bud. McQueen takes back the lead. Unbelievable! Chick Hicks is fading. Chick Hicks is fading. Fading fast.
No! 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 No!